Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WebGoat. First, you'll need to install the Java Development Kit, version 11 or newer, on your system. Next, head over to the official WebGoat GitHub page and download the most recent JAR file. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection for these steps. Once downloaded, you're ready for the next stage of the setup process. Now that you have the JAR file, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you saved the WebGoat JAR. Then, simply type java jar WebGoat server, jar, and press enter. This command will start the WebGoat server. You should see some output indicating that the server is initializing and listening on a specific port, usually 8080. With the server running, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type http://localhost 8080/webgoat and hit enter. You'll be greeted by the WebGoat login page. If it's your first time, you'll need to register for a new account. Once logged in, you can start exploring the many interactive lessons designed to teach you about common web vulnerabilities. If you encounter issues, first check your firewall to ensure it's not blocking port 8080. Also, make sure you only have one instance of WebGoat running at any given time to avoid conflicts. For those who love to learn and read, the new Kindle Paperwhite offers an amazing experience. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy learning and reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.